do you think about the new car?
Car, kokotko.
Yo, new car, hell yeah, new broken car and fixies and everything.
Fixies.
Yeah.
I love my fixies. I love
Okay, what's up?
What's up?
Welcome to the new video, and it's the next day since we brought the car home, and we realized that we probably need a Vana solenoid because the car is not working properly, and we'll try to get a crank shaft sensor position
sensor, yeah.
from this BMW which belongs to Kuli. Let's hope for the best.
Let's hope it works because these parts should work. So
after we do all of that, we'll come to the garage and install it into the second BMW and see if we can go drifting today. By the way, it's a really nice day. Kuli's girlfriend, what do you think about this particular situation?
I don't know. The car doesn't have enough boost to do it.
First of all, it doesn't have any boost because it doesn't have a turbo. Second of all, nah, just kidding. This is the Savior. It's also probably one of the best BMWs that we own. One of two, right? And in the garage, we finally got the Vana solenoid out. We realized that we cannot get the crankshaft sensor.
we'll have to just get a new one.
Probably.
Yeah.
So let's give this one a try, see if it works. I got my diagnostics right here. So let's plug it up, see if it works, which it should, and take it for a test drive, yeah?
Let's go to the woods.
To the woods. And before we go anywhere, we need to put on these new stickers. If you want to get swag like this, just text us, hit us up, and we'll set him up. Mwah. So how do you feel about drifting your first car? Not just drift car, but
It needs a slightly bit more smaller tires because when I steer it, it's like a train that goes just forward. And
yeah,
it doesn't really want to steer it that much.
yeah. And Kuli, what are your thoughts on that?
We need the cam sensor and smaller wheels in the back to actually make it slide because it has two wide tires right now. We forgot about that, I would say.
Yeah. So we'll see what we can do today. Maybe we'll slide a bit more. Maybe we'll go home. It's getting dark already, so we'll see. So you may have seen the footage. It's not going well. The car is losing power, and we actually have little to no grip on the front and too much grip in the back. So we'll probably change the tires, get some smaller wheels, and come back when it's a bit wider because today it's just dry as fuck. So let's see another day. Another day? But let's see another day. Oh shit, slaapje. Huh? Slaapje.
You need to tell us for the video what happened.
The usual fucking hoses.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about why is this garage so empty?
Oh,
We have sold the car.
we have.
We did.
Finally. And then it burned in excitement.
Yeah, basically we didn't have the skill to do it, so we sold it to some other guys. The guys that we have sold the Beamer to, we have already seen the Beamer. At least I've seen the Beamer drift finally. Looks good. I'll probably put in some videos. They're short of me just having fun. Yeah. Not the moment.
This piece of shit always needs fixing.
Yep. And you got a new tattoo, right?
I did.
Oh, dude.
It's been a while.
So, Rastro will say something for the end of the video.
Something
Have fun, guys.
Have fun and smoke.
Don't, please.
Ja sam mogłem.